SME program is a self-driven program for individuals with developmental disabilities. This program allows individuals to develop and create their own structure and schedule to ensure that their skill sets are being met, or if it's a weakness that they may have, that they can work on that every step of the way. What is your favorite thing to do in the SME program?
Going on a computer, doing something website.
Learn how to read and write and my numbers.
Color, and I like to do the crafts.
I like to sit around and look at people. Yeah.
Some of their favorite things to do while they're at the Woodstock location, utilizing the Woodstock Square. They absolutely love doing their 9:30 Starbucks run in the square. It's more to them than just running an errand or going out to eat. It's them developing their life skills and working on them every step of the way. Every outing, every experience is a learning experience for them, and it enhances their independence as well as their skill set.
My favorite outing is going out to eat.
We're going to get coffee and stuff.
The chocolate house, that's my new heaven. Yeah, I like that place.